Setting currency in Primavera P6. We left in this view in our earlier video with respect to project codes. Now we are going to learn about setting up the currency. We have this view and sorting with respect to project code. I am going to change this grouping and sorting to the default one. So for that I will go to this group and sort command and choose EPS. As you can see, we have these two projects. I am going to select the second one and I am going to right click and delete it, because we do not need this project and the project will get quickly deleted. So here we have 2.15. I am going to rename it as 2.15. Again rename and export. If you want the previous one, you can import, and the file name and that is the solution file name and the video file name are synchronized so that it is easier for you to access. Here we are going to set the currency. So I'll go to admin first, and under that we have currencies. Under currencies we have a number of currencies such as USD or US dollar, GBP or pound sterling with the symbol and exchange rate. The default one is USD and you have a tick mark here because it is the base currency. Exchange rate is 1.60. Similarly, the exchange rate has been given for other currency. To add a currency, go to the bottom part and here select the last one and say add. Then the CUR came up and new currency came up. The name of the currency we are going to give it as INR. The new currency name is, let us say, is Indian National Rupee, and I am going to add for this new currency. And the symbol, we have to take a symbol for it. The symbol can be found from the web, so I'll go to the web and here is the national currency we have. I'll just do a copy of it and come here and paste it here. Now it got the rupee symbol, and the exchange rate currently as of today is around 84.85. So I'll say 84.45 or 84.5 also you can put. Then after that 4 zeros. So exchange rate got added. Below that we have general, the currency ID, the currency name, symbol and exchange rate. Appearance wise, the decimal symbol will be the dot. So you can take a closer look. So you can see the decimal symbol is a dot. Number of decimal places after that will be 2. The digit grouping symbol, that is 10 or 100,000, will be noted as with commas. 100 after that you have comma. Then the sample currency symbol has been given here. Now I am going to say close. So we have added the currency. Next we are going to set the currency. To set the currency, I will go to the edit menu here, go to user preferences. And the user preferences will go to the currency here, the currency tab, and here as you can see US dollar has been set. I'll choose this selection list and from there I am going to add INR and I'm going to assign INR. So now the rupee symbol came up, decimal digits also came up, and I'm going to close on it. So we have added the currency and we have assigned the currency. But is the currency assignment really working? Let us see. So what I'm going to do, I'll open this project, select that project, right click and open. Now with that we can go to the activities window. So I'll select on activities. Now we're in the activity window. In the activities window we have a number of activities which you have created recently. I am going to assign a couple of resources to the activities. So I'll take first one A1000 and I'll say go to resources in the bottom part here, then say add a resource. Now the resource display all resources. I'll take this drop down list. From there I'll take filter all active resources. Now from the active resources I can assign any resource here. So let us say I'm going to assign paint, any resource from anywhere, provided the resource has the rates available. So I'll say assign painter. The painter got assigned. Now after the painter is assigned, we have the time and unit. Now I'm going to right click and say the customize the details, or I can check the cost going to the general one, status tab. So in the status tab you can see the labor units are here. I can choose it to labor cost. Now as you can see the labor cost is now showing in rupees. So we can take again a closer look here. So the planned labor cost, the remaining labor cost and at complete labor cost are all in rupees, and that is how the rupee has got assigned to our project. If you are reverting back to US dollar, that also can be done. So I'll go back, then again I'll go to the admin here. Currencies we have already set. So I'll go to edit and I'll go to user preferences. Then in the currency, instead of Indian national rupee, I'm going to set US dollars. I'll say sign. Now US dollar came up. I'll say close. Now when I change to US dollar, mark what happened here. For the same activity, that is activity A1 that we have, here in the bottom part, in the labor cost, now we have US dollars coming up. Earlier we had more rupees because of the exchange rate. Now it is less dollars, again because of the exchange rate. So you can set the currency, assign the currency, and also switch between currencies in Primavera P6.